How would you like 150 new clients every month? What if you could double or even triple the number of leads you get every day? Imagine making more money than ever before and skyrocketing your business to unheard of levels. Let me show you how. The businesses in Google's 3-pack grab up a whopping 60% of all customers searching for products and services locally. Can you believe that? Dominate Google's 3-pack and you can double or even triple your business without paying Google a dime. And this flood of new buyers is absolutely free. It's like turning on a tap. With Google's 3-pack, large corporate advertising dollars mean nothing. What counts is knowing the powerful secrets that give you the edge over your competition. Our exclusive report will show you the way to achieve 3-pack domination in days. You'll have the knowledge to take your business to places you've never dreamed of. The strategies revealed have all been proven by years of research and real-world testing by our very own Google My Business experts. To grab your copy of this action-packed free report, simply comment below on how you believe 150 new leads per month would change your life. In an instant, you'll see what to do next to supercharge your income. Thanks for watching. Comment now.